$85,000, $732.84. 85 is how much this seller right here is currently making, which is one Amazon private labels products. And another cool factor is that this seller is just starting in August of this year. You can see creation date, August 1st, 2022, with only 41 reviews, and they are making way more than an average American salary. Same with the seller right here. They are selling similar product in the same category. This person is making $102,000 and $74.73 with only 51 review counts. And the seller is starting not too long ago, just in June. As you can see, from June and even August to now, it's only a few months, but someone was able to make way more within short amount of time frame compared to an average American salary. That is the power of Amazon private label. And today I'm going to be sharing with you why it is important to start selling on Amazon right away. This is my students, and he just found these products after following our step-by-step instruction with criteria of Shifu warm app on how to find this type of products right here. You get good at product research now, huh? You find them review with less than 100 and making crazy amount of money. And same with this one. This one a little bit more competitive, but the number is decent. But I would say I prefer the other products. And also we help him vetting the product to make sure that the product has given him the highest potential. And now he is in the process of sourcing the product with our private sourcing agent and get to be ready to make that kind of amount of sales. And you may wonder, how do we feel so confident that our student can make the same amount of money as these sellers? We have proven proof, and also we have strategy and proven proof that allow us to make that claim. We're gonna know for sure once Rozan launches product, he's gonna dominate the market. And in a little bit, I'm gonna show you why. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Justin. In another word, Shifu, because I'm not from China, but I'm from Asia. And in this channel, we are dedicated to show you the right way to start on Amazon. Also, we want to dedicate this channel to clear out all the haze about Amazon FBA as too saturated. It's impossible to start an Amazon FBA. No. Every single day, people like Rozan and everyone else in our side of our program are currently making a lot of money with Amazon private label because they all follow the right step-by-step method. That majority of new sellers out there are just doing it wrong. They bought a course, they feel like after they bought a course, they can become the master. No, you still need guidance. You still need instruction, people that holding your hand and guiding you through the journey. That's what matters, and that is the key factor that allow you to be successful in any kind of business, not just Amazon alone. Okay, so if you're new and if you don't know what this software is, it is Helium 10. And you can see this is not just some screenshot that I put up. You can see the Chrome browser right here. And this is my Mentee screenshot. You see his hairstyle, right? So as I move on to the next one, which is why we're making a bold claim that we can easily take over these market share. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. So first, when it's come to competing on Amazon, whoever has the more reviews can win. And the reason why I'm saying it is because review is super important and matter on Amazon. Those guy that was making $85,000 with 41 reviews. So if we want to make that kind of money, the first thing you need to compete with them is the product offer. Second, the product offer is already done. We already put up cool offer. Usually if you're new, and what we always recommend is do not sell any Me Too product. You want to differentiate your product offer in a way that offer the customer way more value for the dollars. That's how you win in the first step. The second step, you need to have more reviews than your competitor. If the other guy have 41 reviews and already making $85,000, the other one making $100,000 with 51 reviews. If you can beat the review count, 51, you can easily replace them with better product offer. And just to keep it simple, if you see two product like this, let's say remote control, right? Same price, better offer. This one is longer, better, more function. And this is a new guy, okay? This is going to be us. This is going to be Rosan. Rosan come into the market. He has offer more, way more in terms of functionality compared to the existing competitor. Rosan has more reviews now because he's following our step-by-step method system. So now it makes more sense for the customer to buy something that offer more functionality at a cheaper price and similar count of social proof, or in term, another term, review count. And again, why review matters so much on Amazon? First, social validation. People do not want to buy a product that doesn't have any reviews on Amazon. Just like imagine if you go to buy a product in a store, if nobody talking about that product, and if you look up online and nobody is review about the product, you will be skeptical about buying that product, right? That's one point. The second point is when you have no review on Amazon, no one wants to buy it because they don't want to be the first one to try the product and realize they wasted their money and getting themselves into a frustration. That's the second part. The third part is reviews so matter, and why a lot of brands are paying other reviewer to review their product for free is because review will last for a lifetime. It will last until you stop selling your products. So let's say if your product exists for 10 years, every reviews that you accumulate over the past 10 years will still be there. And it's going to be a signal of authority in the space. That's why you move to the next one. The more review you have, the more authority you will become in your category and niche. And that's why review is so important. And the last but not least is the more reviews you have, the more trust that the customer will put to your product. How many times you go on Amazon and you saw the product, compare this product with the other product, and you saw that this product had more reviews and the review is so detailed. It helps you to make a better decision which one you should buy based on the review count and also the quality of the reviews, right? And that's why the more review you have, the more authority you will have. The more customer will buy from you, and in the long run, you become a winner. This is the most important part, is that why we can make a big claim is because we have a secret weapon. And the secret weapon here is Shifu $1 million review harvesting system. So these are the system that we install inside of our student products system in the business, and we help them run it in the back end using our service, and it's allowed them to accumulate as much review as possible in the long run so that they become the authority in the space and making as much sales as possible. And as you can see, the screenshot that I have here is the documentation that this system has been working really well. It has accumulated us over 1,000 of reviews in a short amount of time. As you can see on this screenshot right here, we're starting this review system for one of our brand back in 2020, September 5th. At that time, it's about 969 reviews. September, October, we pump it up easily to 2,000 reviews. And the next one, December, we pumped it up to 3,000. So we were able to accumulate as much as 1,000 reviews a month for this particular product alone. And if you can see if the same product, yes, it is the same product. And as we move on to the next month, we accumulate in 2021 4,700 reviews, 5,200 reviews right here, and 5,800 reviews. And right now, this product has over 10,000 reviews. Okay? And this system is not, we are not just using it ourselves. We also help all the big brand, 8 figures brand, to help them install a system and running it for them in the back end. You can see it here. We actually share our method and also install the method inside of other big seller review system as well. So these are some of the people that we have helped them put the system in place that allowed them to scale and accumulate as much review as possible. And we're not just meeting with them one time, we're meeting with them multiple times. This one is an 8-figure seller, Amazon seller. And same with this one is Data Dive. Same with this guy right here. I forgot what he does, but he also one of the big name in the Amazon space that we have helped. Yep, that's me right here. I was a little chippy at the time and short hair. But we were able to share with them and also teaching them on the review automation system. We also work with one of the 9-figure company.
Hey, Josh Snow here, founder of Snow Teeth Whitening. Just wanted to share a few words on my experience and our experience utilizing the Amazon review automation service. It's been super easy. It truly is automated once it's set up, and it's been a huge lift in our business, our brand, and being able to put our best foot forward out there. So highly recommend the Amazon review automation service.
So pretty much our students, they will be able to get access to our review automation service as well, and it will be one of the key tool that allow them to outbeat any competitor with their review counts. And the more review counts you have, the better the product offer and also the better branding you will take over. And with just one product, you can make crazy amount of money. And how much you can do with this amount of money every single month flowing in your pocket, right? So if you need our help to scale your brand or actually build brand authority and get more market share from your competitor with the reviews harvesting system, we include a training down in the description box below that you can see our case study. And once you be able to see our case study and see how we work with each other, you can apply to work with us. Okay? So that what I want to put it out front, and just let you know that Amazon FBA private label is not saturated. You just have to be smarter and move strategically with the right guidance, the right people that's supporting you, and everything is possible. Peace for now.